Welcome to model lessons in mathematics, elementary science and technology, social studies, creative arts, physical education for lower primary grades, produced by Rwanda Education Board in collaboration with the World Bank.
Hello children, my name is Teacher Ambrose. I will be teaching you creative art for P2. Our unit of today is drawing and painting. Then our subtopic, it is drawing and painting objects from the environment. So, before drawing and painting, you first know the definition of art. Art means a skill acquired by study or observation. Art is a skill developed by study or observation. Good. Let us repeat the definition of art. Repeat after me. Art is a skill developed or acquired through studying or observing objects from the environment. Good class. So, here, after knowing the definition of art, that's when you will go and you see reasons why we study art. Why we study art. Reasons why we study art. Let us first write the question here. We say, reasons why we study art. Reasons why we study art. Who can tell me one reason why we study art? Yes, good. We study art to develop our skills. To develop our skills. Before we give another point here, we should know which skill are we going to develop when we are drawing different objects. Who can tell me one skill that we are going to develop when we are drawing different objects from the environment? Who can tell us the answer? Good. Thank you very much. I have liked your thinking. Clap for yourselves. Good. We have drawing skill. We have drawing skill. Good. Excellent. Any other? Any other who can give me another skill which we are going to develop in this lesson according to our title here? Any other? Any other? Good. Excellent. Marvelous. We are going to develop also a painting skill. Painting skill. So, these two skills, they are the ones we are going to develop in this lesson. We have said we are having drawing skill. Another one, it is painting skill. So, you cannot paint before you draw. That's why they say you first draw an object and from the environment, things which are around us. That's the word environment. So after drawing the object, that's when you shade the object which you have drawn. So in the drawing, we have some materials which we are going to use. Materials used in drawing. Materials used in drawing. Materials used in drawing. We are going to first mention them. We are going to first mention different materials that we use in drawing or when we are going to draw different objects from the surrounding. Number one, we are having what we call a piece of paper. A piece of paper. We have a piece of paper here. This one is a piece of paper which you are going to use as a surface where you are going to draw your object. Number two, we have a rubber. This rubber will help you to rub. After making a mistake, because mistakes are allowed and they are there. We know mistakes in fine art, they are there. So after making a mistake, you are allowed to rub. Good. Who can give us the third? Who can give us the third point or the third material that we can use when we are drawing in fine art? Good. Excellent. Marvelous. We are having a sharpener. A sharpener. Who can tell us the use of a sharpener when you are drawing? Who can tell us the use of a sharpener when you are drawing? I'm waiting for the answer. Who can wait for the answer? Good. Now, a sharpener is any sharp material that you can use after breaking your pencil. For me, I'm having this one. I can use it when I'm going to make my pencil clear. I have a pencil here and a sharpener. You can use this sharpener to sharpen your pencil so that you can draw a very good and clear diagram. So we have a sharpener. Number next, we are having a pencil. This one. This one, a pencil, is used when you are sketching what you want to draw. You first sketch. Then after sketching, that's when you go to shading. So a pencil is used to sketch what you want to draw. You first draw, then after drawing, you shade. Then lastly, we have what we call colors. These colors, the reason why it is in plural, we use different types of colors. You can use this one. You can use this color. You can use these ones. So we have different types of colors. So you can use any color you want. Okay? So even when you are at home, you can use charcoal. Do you know charcoal? Good. You can use charcoal when you are shading your different objects. So after naming the materials you want to use, we have said we have a paper. We have said the paper is this one. Okay? Then number two, we have said we have a rubber. I have these ones. Rubbers are here. Are you seeing rubbers? Good. We have said we have a sharpener, something which you can use to sharpen your pencils. For me, I'm having this one. So this sharpener, you can use it to sharpen your pencil when it gets a problem when you are in the process of drawing. Good. Now we have this one, a pencil. Who can spell for me this word? Good. Who can spell for me? Yeah. Now this one, we have said it is used for sketching what you want to draw. We have said we are having colors. You can use any color to shade your object or your shape which you have drawn. Excellent. Don't mind about these colors. Use whatever you come across from the environment. You can use charcoal. You can use leaves to shade what you have drawn. So today, we are going to see how we can draw a cup. A cup is here. A cup is here. We are going to see how we can draw a cup. And we see the shapes which are used to draw this cup. Even you can draw a bucket. A bucket is having a circular surface here. You can use this one, and it has a circular surface on top. Even here, it has a circular surface. But today we are going to see how we can draw a cup. Repeat this one. Good, excellent, marvelous. You are the best. Now, when you are drawing a cup, we use some shapes. We have some shapes here on this cup. When you see this cup, which shape are you seeing there? Which shape are you seeing there? Good, yes. One who has said he has seen a cylinder. Spell for me the word cylinder, class. Good children. Spell for me the word cylinder. This one is letter C. Letter. Good. Number 2, the next one who can tell me one shape. Good, excellent. Another one is seeing a circle. This one, this part, it is a circular surface, okay? That's why he's telling me that he has seen a circle. Even here, it is a circle. Good, excellent. Now, we are going to see how we can join a cylinder and a circle to draw a cup. To draw a cup. We are going to draw a cup here, and we see the way how they can draw. Which part do you begin with when you are going to draw a cup? We begin with this circular surface. We begin with a circular surface. And when you are drawing, we don't use a ruler. We don't use a ruler. We use our free hands and using a pencil. Okay? We use a pencil and our free hands to draw different shapes in fine art. Good, excellent. Now, you begin with a circular part. We call this one a circular top of a cup. This part of a cup, it is the same as this one. Then you use what we call straight lines to draw a cylinder. Because our cup here, it is somehow curved, you cannot make them vertically. So you draw when you are going like this. Even this side, you come like this. Then down, we are having another circular part. We are seeing one part. We cannot draw like this again. Okay? We are seeing this part here. So this thing, it's not there. So it is like this. Then after, you'll ask yourself, what is missing there? Class, tell me, what is missing on this cup? What is missing on this cup? Good. Who can tell me? Who can tell me? I want a boy. I want a boy now. I want a boy. Who can tell me what is missing on our cup? What is missing on our cup? Good. Yes. Excellent. Marvelous. Clap for him. Clap, clap, clap. Good. Excellent. We are missing a handle. A handle here. Good. We are missing a handle. Who can tell me the use of a handle? Who can tell me the use of a handle on a cup? This one. This one is a handle. Who can tell me the use of a handle on a cup? I want a girl. I want a girl. I want a girl. Who can tell me? Good. Excellent. Marvelous. Clap for her. Clap for her. Clap for her. Even may have given you flowers. Shh. Good. A handle is used when you are taking your things, you hold here so that you cannot pour what you are taking. Okay? Good. So a handle from the word hand, it is for handling. Okay? You handle it like this. Don't handle a cup like this when you are taking your things. Excellent. So we have said this is a circular part. Now, this one is a cylindrical part. Then down here, it is also circular, but we are seeing one part of a cup. We are not seeing the whole part. You are seeing one part. That's why here it is curved. Sometimes they can ask you, which lines have we used to draw this cup? We have this one. We call it a straight line. A straight line. Do you know a straight line? A straight line. Then we have this one. It is curved and closed line. Or you can say it is a closed line. A closed line. So this part which is circular, we call it, when you go to lines, it is a closed line. Even this part here, from here up to here, it is the same as this one. It is a straight line. Good. Excellent. Straight line. Straight line. Then who can tell me the answer of here? Who can tell me which line? Which line is here? Which line? Types of lines. Types of lines. Which line is this one? Class, I'm waiting for the answer. Good children. I like the way you are thinking. Good. Excellent. Yes. Yeah, good. This one is a curved line. A curved what? A curved line. I have liked you very much. What about this one? This part from here up to here. I want a girl. I want a girl. Tell me which type of a line is this one? This part from here up to here. This part here. The bottom part of a cup. This part here. Who can tell me the type of a line which is here? Good. Excellent. She has given us that this one is also a curved line. Good children. I have liked you. Now, we are going to use our materials, the way how we are seated on our desks. We are going to use our materials to draw a cup. We are going to go together, step by step. Step by step, then we draw a cup. Are you ready? First, get your pencil with a rubber. Get your two things in your hand. Two things, a pencil and a rubber. We are going to use these two things at a go. Because you may draw, you find when you have drawn like this. Is this one good, class? No. You will use your rubber to rub that thing which you have drawn on your paper and you don't want it. So use your rubber to rub what you have drawn and you don't want it, okay? Good, class. We are going to start. Are you ready? First, put up your hands very well. Good, excellent. First, stand up, all of you. Stand up, stand up. Are you ready? We are going to jump 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out. Arms up, arms down, arms up, arms down, arms up, arms down. Okay. Flowers. Okay, good. You sit. Then get your pencil and the rubber. We start. We are going to begin with this circular surface of a cup. Draw. We are drawing one diagram or one shape on a desk. On a desk. One desk, one shape. One desk, one shape, okay? Good. So, after drawing this one, this circular surface, we are going to draw what we call straight lines. 2 straight lines, which will act as our cylinder. Our cylinder, good. First draw this one. Do you have it? Do you have it? That group? Do you have it? Good. Do you have it? Excellent. Okay. Now draw the second line. The second line. Do you have those 2 lines? I'm waiting for you to tell me that we have them. And remember, we have said when we are drawing, we don't use a ruler. In fine art, we use our free hands because at first we said we learn art to develop our skills. We learn art to develop our skills. That's why we say we use free hands when you are drawing. Good. So after drawing these 2 lines, what is missing down there? What is missing? Who can tell me there? Who can tell me? Good. We are missing a curved line here to join these 2 straight lines. We are missing a curved line to join our 2 lines. Have we finished, class? No. We have not yet finished. What we are going to do? Who can tell me what are we going to do now? Who can tell us what is missing on our disc cup? What is missing? What is missing? Good, excellent. We are missing what we call a handle. A handle. This one. Good. Now, this one, it looks like a cup. It looks like a cup. Then, after drawing this one, in the next lesson, we are going to see the colors, different colors that we can use when we are going to shade, okay? When we are going to shade. Now, who can tell me the material we are going to use in the next lesson to shade this cup from the environment? Who can tell me one material that we are going to use to shade this cup? From home. From home. Yes, good. We are going to use charcoal. We are going to use charcoal to shade our object. Now, I'm giving you only 2 minutes to copy this work. Only 2 minutes. We put this work in our exercise books. I'm waiting for 2 minutes. I want to see the first child. The first child, I will give him or her a bonbon, a biscuit, or a sweet. Who has finished? Who has finished? A boy or a girl? Who has finished? Who has finished? A boy or a girl? Good, excellent, marvelous. All of you, you are the best. I have clapped for you, and I have given you flowers. So when you reach home, this is our homework. They say, draw a bucket and shade using any color. They say, draw a bucket and shade using any color. And use the best handwriting to write this question, because your parents, they might sign here after drawing. Otherwise, I like you so much. You are the best. We meet in the next lesson. Thank you very much.